Do you want to learn how to upload photos to Google Drive and share a link? Well, you've come to the right video. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do this. However, please make sure that you watch this video until the very end to avoid any mistakes in the process. To begin, open your Google Drive. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on the plus icon, then select Folder, give it a name, and click on Create. I've created the folder. Just open the folder and click on the plus icon, then select Upload. You can directly upload photos or videos without creating a folder as well. Now, choose the photos you want to upload. You can select one or multiple photos, or even the entire folder. After selecting the files or photos, click on Open, and they will start uploading to Google Drive. Now that the photos are uploaded, to share them with others, click on the three dots and select Share. You can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Alternatively, if you want the files or photos to be accessible to anyone with the link, click on Not Shared under Manage Access. Under Restricted, you will find the Change option. Click on it, select Restricted, and then choose Anyone with the link. Once the permission is updated, click on the link icon at the top. Now, anyone with the link can access the file. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.